Hello, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance lamp on your Volkswagen Polo MK4 9 and 3. We can perform this without a scanner. The only thing we need is our key. We get the key into the position, but we does not switch on the ignition, okay? So let's perform this. We are going to push the trip button. Then we switch on the ignition and then we rotate the knob to the right side until 3 seconds.
Fertig.
Job's done. Now the trip lever has reset our maintenance lamp. Good job, eh? Yeah. Without a scanner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.